Hi, this is Madison from Finale Inventory, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about how Finale syncs your sales as revenue to QuickBooks Online. So in Finale, you can go to our gear icon in the top right-hand corner, our application settings, and then under the accounting tab. This is where the QuickBooks Online configurations are. And I'm going to jump down to this section right here. And this is how we can specify in Finale what we want to sync to QuickBooks as far as our revenue. So if you are pulling sales into Finale from multiple sources, as well as doing B2B or wholesale type of orders, we would most likely use this source filter here to determine exactly what Finale is syncing to QuickBooks Online. So for example, if you're using something like A2X to sync your e-commerce information to QuickBooks Online, and you want to use Finale to sync your manual orders. So for example, in this source setting, I would choose manual orders only. So if I set this sales source to manual orders only, this means that Finale is only going to sync sales data from our manual order to sales source to QuickBooks Online. No other sales order data will be synced to QuickBooks Online, just our manual orders. This setting is particularly helpful when you're using other softwares like I mentioned before, A2X, because this allows us to basically prevent duplicate information being synced to QuickBooks. So let's come into our sales order screen here and create a new manual sales order. So my customer is going to be Jake. I'm going to select warehouse and I'm going to choose my source. So I'm going to say this is a manual order. So I'm going to ship out 75 apples and 80 bananas. And the price I'm giving them to him for is $5 per apple and $4 per banana. And of course, any shipping or discounts we'll want to add in this adjustment area. So I can say that it was $20 for shipping. And here we have our manual sales order. I'm going to create an invoice now, and the invoice is the data that gets synced to QuickBooks. So let me create, and Finale will let me know my sale is fully shipped, fully invoiced, and it advises me to complete it. So let's go to my integrations tab and let's run our QuickBooks task. This task does run by itself automatically every 5 minutes, but if you want it to sync sooner than that, you can always come in here and run it yourself. So once I create that invoice, I can come in here and sync the integration. And now back in QuickBooks, I am able to generate my balance sheet report. And I can see down here that my accounts receivable has been increased to 715. And that is due to our most recent transaction with Jake. We're also able to view that invoice in QuickBooks as well as process the payment. So in QuickBooks, you can see your accounts receivable has increased, your inventory valuation account has decreased. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about the QuickBooks Online integration, please feel free to email us at service@finaleinventory.com.